They do? Is that why they burp like that? They taste bad.
You see that little tail something? I never noticed the little tail before.
They look like really hurt.
They got like little jacktails.
If they could fly, that'd be their meal.
Tastes like chicken.
That seagull?
It's like having a chicken fillet.
Hello!
Look at his eyes.
Oh! Thank you! Very nice.
Don't drop your tail.
Kind of remind me of a big bear we met.
Mm-hmm.